Frustrated by the Msvcp110d.dll blocking your PC's performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the recovery of your runtime environment. This DLL file is the debug version of the 2012 Microsoft C Runtime. It contains extra symbols and assertions used by programmers to monitor memory usage and catch bugs in applications developed with Visual Studio. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. To fix this properly, reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. Go to the Microsoft website, download both x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C++ redistributables, and install them. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Msvcp110 debug component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for the Msvcp110d.dll, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining the Msvcp110 debug. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Microsoft Visual C++ working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.